Okay. Activity one. My name is my name is Jordan Velázquez. Relatives. Climate change and global warming. Climate change is a big problem. It affects the world war, what causing and what can we do about it? Okay. There are many causes of climate change. One of the main causes is carbon dioxide in the air, where use a lot of energy in the home. This energy comes from oil and gas. When we use this energy, we make carbon dioxide, cars in place, plus make carbon dioxide. There are more cars and planes now than ever before. This is because more people have money to buy them. There are many consequences of climate change. One of the main consequences is extreme weather. If some place there are big flows in other places, there are long periods with rain. The weather is also getting hotter. This means that the ice at the North or South Pole is melting. Because the ice melts, the sea will rise by 17 meters. This will be very bad for people who live near the coast. What can we do about climate change? Governments need to make big change. They need to use renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy from the sun, wind, or water. People can also have, for example, they can well or cycle to work instead of using the car. Incorporating and fuel teaching education strategies can also help raise awareness and promote sustainable practice to address the use of climate change. Paragraphs and summaries. Paragraph 1, global climate problems. Paragraph 2, carbon dioxide cause. Paragraph 3, extreme weather effects. And paragraph 4, solution and renewable energy.
The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases
Greenhouse.
in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution.
Industrial Revolution.
The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's
Atmospheric.
levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This
Warmer temperatures.
means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift, and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains ozone particles, which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. While the rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans, humans are also the ones who can combat it. If we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emissions, we might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change.
Okay, activity 3, question and answers. What is one of the main causes of climate change mentioned in the text? One of the main causes of climate change is carbon dioxide in the air. Number 2, how do you will make carbon dioxide when using energy at home? We make carbon dioxide by using energy from oil and gas and at home. Number 3, why are there more cars and planes now than ever before? There are more cars and planes now because more people had money to buy them. Number 4, what happens is all the ice at the north of South Pole melts. If all the ice melts, the sea levels will rise by 70 meters. Activity 4, page 107. People may be afraid of snakes because they are dangerous. I know someone who is afraid of snakes because they move fast. Okay, I know someone who is afraid of the dentist because it can be painful. I know someone who is afraid of dentists because of bad experience. Okay. Page number page 108. Other focus. Okay. Uh, Reading three or false of the page number 108. 1. Opidiophobia is a phobia that describes the fear of snakes, reptiles, and is a common fear for many people. Yes, it's true. Number 2, agoraphobia is the fear of eggs, and people with this phobia may feel anxious or scary when they are in high place. Yes, it's true. Number 3, trypanophobia is the fear of injection or needles, and I can make people feel nervous when they go to the doctor. Yes, it's 3. Number 4, glossophobia is the fear of public speaking, and many people experience this fear when they had to speak in front of an audience. Yes, it's true.